Good morning everyone. So this is just me trying to wake up in the morning. It's 6:30 a.m.
One, two, three, funk it.
It's gonna be an extremely busy routine today, guys. I have my regular classes from 8 a.m. in the morning, and also I have to study a lot since I have got an exam due on 29th of April. So this is basically my daily routine. I clean the room, take the bath, and just get ready to head towards the college. I've not been working out, guys, since the past few weeks. Just forget it because that's just a lazy me. So also I have to carry my own bucket and all the bathroom essentials to the washroom since it's a common one. And in the bathroom I just put on some music and just start vibing. Hello everyone, this is Puristan and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a day in the second year of my life vlog. So yeah. So guys, I have my posting today. Actually, why I'm vlogging in the gynae department, because I got late for the posting today because I got scolded in my previous class for not paying attention because I was editing a video in the class, and basically it starts from 8 to 9 and then 9 to 10. So I actually got scolded in 9 to 10 wali class. So I got late for my postings, which commences from 10 to 1. So it was an OT day today. I have to go to the operation theatre, but then I got late, and it's a very strict rule in the OT. If you don't come at 10, you just don't come in then. You just go out. So I have my regular teaching again from 11:30. So yeah, I have a kind of a free time between 10 to 11:30, 1.5 hours. So I thought, okay, let's vlog. So guys, I'll just quickly brief you about how these postings goes on. We have our postings on all the weekdays except for the Saturday. So like one day we have our OT, one day we have rounds, we have to go to the ANC ward, we have to go to the post-operative ward, and like the days are divided equally among all the students. So today I had my OT and I just visited, I told you why. And yeah, okay, I previously had my ENT posting and now it's gynae, and after this, guys, I have my surgery posting. So it's gonna be really hectic month after this, but it's gonna be really interesting as well. I'll just show you a few parts of this hospital so that you can have the idea of how these postings goes on, and you can have a feel of the bit of a medical college, right? So if you guys are preparing for medical college, you're just gonna have it. Work hard, it's worth it. So guys, this is one of the busiest departments of our college, that is the gynecology department. So I'm just finding the unit teacher for getting my logbook checked. Today I saw urinary catheterization procedure. आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा, whenever the patient is unable to get up, तो उसकी body से एक tube and एक poly bag attach होता है जिसमें urine collect होता है. So yeah, that was the same procedure and it was kind of like really interesting. And guys, literally like यहाँ पे professors around पे होते हैं actually, because they are the doctors here. So उनको ढूंढते ढूंढते literally we have to run from one corner of the department to the another corner, and it just feels like a little bit of Grey's Anatomy वाले डॉक्टर, like actually कि इतना ज़्यादा दौड़ना पड़ रहा है, हर 2 सेकंड में इधर से उधर जाना पड़ रहा है. Like it feels kind of good, but it's very tiring actually. Guys, we're returning from the gynae department. Today is 27th and we have a microbiology test on 29th. So अब प्राची बताएंगी हमें कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है to all my subscribers.
You need not to study. This is the solution of everything. Music.
So guys, started from now. So I finally reached my hostel after such a tiring day, and guys, please say hi to my roommate.
Hi.
Soumya. Our work. So guys, let's have a word from the sponsors of this video.
मामा मुझे कोचिंग ज्वाइन करनी है। बिल्कुल भी नहीं, पैसे फ्री के आते हैं। कोचिंग ऑलरेडी कर रही हो ना, फिर क्यों दोबारा चाहिए? मामा प्लीज, इस बार बहुत अलग है, सच में बहुत अलग है। अच्छा अच्छा क्या अलग है इसमें, मुझे बताओगे प्लीज? मम्मा सुनो, मम्मा सिर्फ 239 रुपीज की है, आप यकीन नहीं करोगे, लिटरली सिर्फ 239 रुपीज की है। एंड मम्मा प्लीज दिला दो ना, बिकॉज ये सच में बहुत अलग है। आई एम गेटिंग एक्सेस टू ऑल द अनलिमिटेड डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशंस, वीडियोस अपलोडेड बाय टॉप एजुकेटर्स, पर्सनलाइज्ड काउंसलिंग सेशंस, आई एम गेटिंग नोट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पीडीएफ्स। मम्मा और क्या चाहिए 239 रुपीज में? प्लीज आज का पिज्जा कैंसिल कर दो, बट प्लीज ये दिला दो, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। अच्छा बाबा ले लो सब्सक्रिप्शन, बट मैं 239 से एक पैसा ज्यादा नहीं दूंगी, मैं बता रही हूँ। और तो और आज का पिज्जा भी कैंसिल तुम्हारा।
2,000 years later.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. I can't figure out.
I'm just going to library because I told you I have an exam of microbiology on 29th. So yeah, I have my friends here that will join me for studies. So
1 minute 37 seconds later.
guys, finally after eating, having food, अब finally library जा रहे हैं. I hope so library में बस पढ़ लें because everybody is feeling sleepy here. So yeah.
So guys, this is the central library and I'm just doing the entry for going inside. We are not allowed to take our bags inside the reading room or the library, so I'm just keeping it in the baggage counter. So guys, in the college we have two things. First, the library where we are not allowed to take our own books, and the second is the reading room where we can take our own books and read accordingly. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the best part of our college, that is the central library. So our library has 3 floors, but the students are just allowed to study on the ground and the first floor. Basically the second and the third floor are kind of locked. They just have the racks and the books. It's like it's in complete darkness, nobody goes there. But I just decided to explore that area, so I went on the second and the third floor as well. So let's explore it together. The ground floor of the library is for the MBBS students and the first floor is for paramedical and the dental students. Basically, it's not the compulsion, we can sit anywhere we want. The library is fully air conditioned, well maintained, the chairs are very comfortable and the AC like बहुत ठंडा करता है and it's like बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ AC की वजह से आते हैं. So guys, now it's the third floor and you can see it's all in the darkness. It has the oldest books possible, like बहुत ही ancient books रखी हुई हैं यहाँ पे with all the retro look, मतलब वो पूरा brown covers के साथ. And guys, it was quite scary because सिर्फ हम 3 लोग थे यहाँ पे. And I just don't know why whenever I go to such places I just keep on fantasizing things कि अगर कोई book एकदम से हमने खोली और उसमें से किसी की आत्मा हमारे अंदर घुस गई. It was scary, guys. I'm just done with the study session. So guys, this was it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it and liked it, do consider subscribing it and sharing it with all of your friends.